In the harsh savanna where food grew scarce, desperation gripped the lion pride. Hunger gnawed at their bellies, driving the adult lions to unthinkable actions. The lioness, a mother of 2 cubs, stood vigilant, her instinct screaming to protect. Most of her cub sisters had fallen victim to the insatiable hunger of the dominant male. The lioness chose to abandon her hunting role. Taking a defiant stance. She refused to let her remaining cubs become the next victims. With snarls and roars, she confronted the dominant lion. A wall of fierce maternal determination. Yet, the dominant lion was relentless, his hunger driving him to the edge of madness. The lioness unleashed her fury, forcing him to relinquish his grip on her cub. With fierce tenderness, she scooped up the injured cub, cradling it in her jaws. The cub was injured, but in the heart of a mother's love, there was hope for survival. As the sun dipped below the horizon, it became painfully clear that the cub might not survive the next hour.